Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to access screenshot folder in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Usually, you will take screenshots using several methods like three finger swiping down or using volume down button and power button together. So whatever method you use, there's no problem. But if you would like to access the screenshot, if you would like to go to the particular screenshot that you took using the method, then what you have to do is just go to files in the home page of a phone here, and then go to internal storage, then go to pictures folder and go to screenshots folder. You will see all screenshots that you took. Okay, so these are all the screenshots that I took using different options in my phone. So you can easily locate screenshots through this folder. Okay, while taking screenshot, you will get notification that you have taken a screenshot, and you can directly access from there. But if you access your screenshot at later stage, okay, after taking screenshot after 1 hour or 2 hour or on next day, then you can go to this way. Okay, that is going to my files, that in internal storage, then pictures folder and screenshots folder. Okay, so in this way you can easily access screenshot folder in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.